Alrighty, so the first step in removing the Leap V2 Platinum arm is to remove the two covers from each other. So we have a top half here and the bottom half here. And in order to remove those, I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver to carefully insert it in between the 2 points and kind of pry it up on all the sides. And it should just pop right off like that. Okay, now to remove the bottom half, we're just going to pull straight down. A little jimmy. Should come right off like that. All right, now to remove the arm from the chair itself, we're just going to take our flathead and press right into that button. If you can see that right there. We're just going to depress that down while pressing on the arm pad button itself. So we're going to press that button, push it on here, and the arm will pull right off. And then we do need to remove the top half of the cover. So I'm just going to get it down there. Just grab my flathead, get it to fall down there, press the button, and it's right off. So to put it back on, we're just going to reverse the process here. We're going to grab the top half of the cover and put that on first. We're just going to slip it right onto the arm like so. So this piece right here will be facing inside of the chair. Okay, next we're just going to insert the arm into the slot, press the button down, and the arm is inserted. Okay, last step would be to reinsert the bottom half of the cover. We're just going to start on the bottom and jimmy it up there. There we go. And we're just going to connect the two pieces by holding down on the up on the bottom and down on the top and pressing together. And we are all set, gentlemen.